Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Scorpios, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. Let's start with these cards first. We'll see what it is. We have 2 of fire, 6 of air and 4 of water. So in your situation today, guys, Scorpios, there are some changes happening in your life today, guys, and you need to understand that if you are quiet and calm, if you have that peace and calmness, composure in your heart, you are going to see peace in your outer world also, guys. And you are always expecting some kind of troubles and you believe that you are always going to see some troubles in any situation. So you are having some kind of a conditioned way of seeing your situation. That may be the reason for troubles, guys, in your life. But you need to understand that your life is what you believe, and if you believe that there are going to be positive changes happening in your life today, and that is what is going to happen in your life today, guys. And there are some changes whether you want it or not. There are great changes happening in your situation. So some kind of an inspiration or things are moving in a particular way, and it is something beyond your effort or beyond your control, something pushing you forward to make progress, make some choices. And you need to understand that there is a great plan for your future unfolding in a beautiful way today, guys. And maybe circumstances are such that pushing you towards those changes in your situation right now. And you are someone having great dreams and goals for yourself. You're thinking about all those offers or opportunities, but the results may be something unexpected. So you need to understand that you need not feel stressed because it is not up to your expectation, but these results are also good in their own way, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need to have trust in the universe. So whatever results you are getting in your work situation, or whatever is the outcome in your relationship, whatever it is, if you have that trust and belief, things are going to turn out in a very positive way for you all, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 5 of water. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe today you have come to an understanding with this person, and you want to have that emotional release from all that stress, sadness you feel, all that hurt, however this person has hurt you. So you want to give up all that. You deserve freedom, and the way to get freedom from the sadness is to let go of all those negative emotions, guys, and go for that forgiveness. Maybe forgive yourself for whatever you have done, or forgive this other person and surrender all your resentments to the divine. Forgive that person and know that your situation is going to be transformed, guys, and you can feel fearless when you step into that kind of an emotional freedom from all that stress and sadness. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So this person, it may be your energy, so they cannot cry anymore for this love, or they want to get over this sadness, and they want to have a fresh start in life. So this may be your energy or their energy, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's 9 of Air. So in your career situation, you are making some important decisions with that faith in yourself, guys, faith in your actions and talents, and you are going to see great opportunities opening up for you, Scorpios. So that is a reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, Scorpios, you can watch the Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a fairy tale Pick a Card love reading. So we have 2 cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have 2 crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown, and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you. So you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality, and the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like, and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you. It may be your family members or friends, whoever it is. They are trying to control your decisions, and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened, and you are in a lot of stress and troubles. But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. And this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your true love will come to you. For sure, it will come back to you and it will find you. So you need to just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation. And whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.